Hello everyone, welcome back to Grass. Today we are diving deep into a hot topic that's on every developer's mind. Will AI replace Java developers in 2025? We have all seen the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Google Gemini, and Tab9. They are writing codes, generating tests, and even suggesting bug fixes. It's incredible, but it also makes us wonder, is our job as a Java developer at risk? Well, the short answer is no. The long answer? Let's dive in. AI is no longer a buzzword. It's a part of every developer's toolbox. Tools like Copilot integrates with IDEs and suggest full lines of code or block of codes. ChatGPT can generate complete REST APIs, write SQL queries, and explain code snippets. AI has made a huge strides in code completion, auto documentation, bug detection, and test case generation. But here is the key. These are assistive tools. They support us, but they don't replace the creativity, architecture, and critical thinking a developer brings to the table. Let's talk specific. What can AI do for Java developers? Generate boilerplate code like getter-setter, DTOs, POJOs, write unit tests using frameworks like JUnit, suggest improvements to code readability, refactor large block of codes, provide instant documentation for classes and methods, detect and explain potential bugs in real time. Let's take an example. Ask ChatGPT to create a Spring Boot REST API. It will generate the code in seconds, but keep in mind, it's just a tool. Now, here is where human developers shine. AI still struggles with understanding business context, making architectural decisions, creating secure, scalable, and maintainable systems, interpreting ambiguous requirements, working in teams, doing code review, and mentoring. You can ask AI to generate the code, but only you can decide where the code fits, why it matters, and how it can impact users and business goals. The role of Java developers is shifting. We are no longer just coders. We are system designers, product thinkers, and AI integrated engineers. We use AI the same way a power tool helps a craftsman. It enhances the job, but it doesn't do it for us. Developers will collaborate more with AI, focus on problem solving and design, leverage AI for productivity, but remain in control. To stay ahead, here are the skills you should focus on. Cloud native development, Spring Boot and microservices, Kafka, Docker and Kubernetes, CI/CD and DevOps practices, security and performance optimization, testing frameworks and automation, AI-assisted development workflows. Also explore integrating AI into your own apps, like using ML models with Java or incorporating AI APIs. Let's talk market reality. Java remains the backbone of enterprise systems. Banks, insurance companies, healthcare providers, all are built on Java. Companies still need skilled developers to understand legacy systems, design robust microservices, build scalable APIs, implement DevOps, and implement pipelines. AI tools are only effective when used by capable hands. The demand of Java developers will remain high, especially those who are AI aware. AI won't take your jobs, but a developer using AI might. So embrace it. Make AI your coding partner. Learn how to use these tools smartly. Be the developer who combines problem solving, creativity, and AI-enabled efficiency. So let's wrap up. Will AI replace Java developers in 2025? No, but it will replace the way we work, and that's a good thing. The developers who thrive in this new era will be the ones who adapt, learn fast, and evolve. If you found this valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future isn't AI versus developers, it's AI with developers.